This 2021 Grand Design Solitude is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, awning, oven, LP detector, skylight, stovetop burner, air conditioning, leveling jacks, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Solitude is 12,460 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.